Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two popular air fryers, Nuwave Brio 7-in-1 air fryer oven and Chefman air fryer. We'll be evaluating them in different categories to help you choose the best one for your kitchen. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Nuwave Brio offers 100 pre-programmed menu presets which enables you to cook a vast range of dishes. It has an intuitive digital control panel that lets you make adjustments on the fly. Chefman air fryer has 4 presets that make it easy to cook chicken, meat, fish, and French fries. It comes with a simple touch control panel that makes adjusting time and temperature a breeze. Nuwave Brio's advanced linear T technology allows you to fine-tune temperature settings from 50 degrees to 400 degrees in 5-degree increments. It continuously monitors temperature fluctuations and makes constant power adjustments every second to maintain the set temperature. This ensures perfect results every time. Chefman air fryer has a temperature range of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and uses at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers to make crispy fried foods. Its 8-quart nonstick basket and flat frying tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. At a price of $109, Nuwave Brio is a bit more expensive than Chefman air fryer, which costs $99. However, we think Brio's advanced features and range of presets justify the price difference, especially if you're someone who enjoys cooking a wide variety of meals. And that's our comparison between Nuwave Brio 7-in-1 air fryer oven and Chefman air fryer. It's worth noting that both products offer unique features that make them great choices for different people. If you prefer lots of preset cooking options for various dishes, Nuwave Brio is the way to go. But if you're looking for a more affordable option that still produces crispy and delicious foods, Chefman air fryer is definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments which air fryer you prefer. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.